We have got a hefty birthday list to get through this morning, so we're going to jump right into it with Rowdy Mosley celebrating birthday number 2 over in Columbus. Happy birthday, Rowdy.
All right, and we've got Gabe Lance turning 9 years old in Pittsburgh. Look at that catch there, Gabe. Hope you have a great one.
There's a lot of fishing that goes on in this area, and I can't imagine why. That was sarcastic.
Yeah, because we have water.
We have some water around here. We've also got Allison Splector turning 12 years old in Chanute. Very happy birthday to you, Allison.
All right, in Sir Coxey turning 12 this year. It's time to celebrate for Cash Williams.
And we've got Jenna Babcock turning 17 in Parsons. Jenna, a very happy birthday to you.
And Juan Bizarro in Girard, who's about ready to enter his senior year at Girard High School, turning 18 years old.
We've also got Colby Collins in Oswego. Okay, look at that catch. Holy cow. They're turning 21 in Oswego. Colby, happy birthday.
We say 1, 2, 3. Loving it. All right, somebody's going to have a good Thanksgiving this year.
Oh, yeah. That's not 1, 2, 3. That's 1.
Oh. Yeah, it is.
It's one big turkey.
Yeah, okay, I was looking at the small picture, and it looked like 3 birds.
It does. That's just how big that turkey is.
Nope, that's just one real big one, and that's a big smile on his face for good reason, too.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, Isaac Wilson celebrating birthday number 23 this year in Iowa.
We've also got Brianna Smith over in Pittsburgh. She is turning 26 today. Brianna, happy birthday.
And Andrew Jones celebrating birthday number 28 in Parsons. Look at that catch. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Man, there's a lot of good catches this morning in these birthday photos.
Fishing Friday.
Okay, so we've got Rolf Cobby in Yates Center turning 39 with a very special birthday message saying, "We hope no one makes you mad and turns you green on your birthday. Have a great hulky birthday with love from Bobby Cobb Cobby, Kronka, Marietta, and P-Bob Cobb." So very happy birthday. And really, we don't want to see you angry, Rolf, so probably have a good one today.
And if you look closely, he is not smiling in this picture, so I'm a little bit concerned.
That's not good. That's not good.
Stay happy. Stay happy. All right, Tina Omi celebrating birthday number 59 this year. Looking great there, Tina.
We've got Bonnie Freeman turning 80 years old in Columbus. Boy, it's like I've said, I see some of these folks celebrating birthdays like 80, and I just hope I look as good as they do because folks in the 4 states seem to age very well. And Bonnie, you're doing a great job. Keep it up.
I was just thinking that was a wonderful picture there, Bonnie. All right, in Mound Valley, celebrating birthday number 90 this year, Glenn Schomburg. A great picture there of Mr. Schomburg as well.
We also have Jim Godinez of Chanute celebrating a birthday today. Also one of our many 4-state heroes. Jim, not only do we thank you, but we are also wishing you a big happy birthday.
And it's a big milestone anniversary celebration for the Dingmans in Liberal. Tom and Brenda Dingman are celebrating 50 years of wedded bliss. Happy golden anniversary.
All right, we've also got, so Tom and Brenda, you're almost there. We've got Faye and Winnie Pack celebrating their 69th wedding anniversary in Chanute. Faye and Winnie, a very happy anniversary to you, and here's to many more.
All right, we're not done. Pepper Martin celebrating birthday number 90 this year in Columbus. Hope you have a great one. And also in the bus, because that's where the party's at, Corbin Martin is 19 years old this weekend. Special birthday love coming from Grandma and Grandpa.
Seems we've had a lot of recent birthdays in Columbus.
We always do.
Yeah, there's a lot of birthdays going on in Columbus. We've also got DJ Dangerfield in Chanute celebrating a birthday today as well.
All right, if you have a birthday, you can submit them to us at birthdayswithanas@KOAMTV.com, or you can email them to us at birthdayswithanas@KOAMNewsNow.com.
In addition, while you're submitting your birthday, don't forget for yourself or maybe your loved one, make sure they sign up, you sign up, everyone signs up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You go to our website to do that. You can get some great special deals from local businesses. And it's so simple to do. You just go to KOAMNewsNow.com.